As the birthplace of the Roman Empire and the Renaissance, it is not surprising that Italy should be so rich in masterpieces of art and architecture, or that it should have more UNESCO World Heritage cultural sites than any other country in the world. But Italy's top attractions for tourists are not all art and architecture. The country is blessed with lakes, mountains, and a dramatic coastline that give it outstanding natural attractions as well. You could plan an entire itinerary inspired by a single interest, from the Renaissance art to hiking. But most first-time visitors like to get a sampling of the best Italy offers in several different kinds of experiences. The attractions that follow shows off Italy's art, architecture, stunning landscapes, and history, and provide opportunities to active pursuits as well. To be sure you find the best places to visit and things to do, plan your itinerary using the list of the top attractions in Italy. 1. Rome. Both for its history and the capital of much of Europe and of its present-day role as one of Europe's most vibrant cities. For most tourists traveling to Italy, Rome leads or heads the list of places to visit. Relics of the ancient glories of Colosseum, the Forum, the Pantheon and the Appian Way, and the Palatine Hill vie with a vast reaches of the Vatican as the top attractions. But between the important sites like the Sistine Chapel and the Michelangelo's Pietra, take time to enjoy the city itself. Relax in the Boyagich Gardens, eat galeto on the Spanish steeps, explore the narrow streets of Trastevere, window shop on the Via Veneto, and toss a coin in Trevi Fountain so you can return again and again. It will take several trips to see it all. 2. Florence. The showcase of the Italian Renaissance, Florence can at times seem like one of the giant art museums. The Duomo, the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, is a landmark of world's architecture, topped by the craving-defying massive dome. Together with its marble inland bell tower by Giotto and octagonal bistri, with its incomparable bronze doors by Guidibetti, this is one of the world's finest examples of Renaissance art. Half a dozen art museums brim with paintings and sculpture, while more masterpieces decorate its churches. Before you overdose on art in the Uffizi Gallery and Pitti Palace, stroll through the Boboli Gardens and explore the artisan studios and workshops of the Olciano, or a shop for leather in Santo Grosso. 3. Garda. With more down-to-earth feel than glitzy Como, but with plenty of glass, Lake Garda is the largest of Italy's spectacular lakes. Rugged mountains encircle its deep blue waters, with boats zipping between the pretty towns that hang the shore. You could base yourself here for a week or more, choose between luxury spas and faded waterside hotels, or a day trip eat from Milan. Whatever you do, make time for aperitifs overlooking the lake, preferably at sunset. Or take a cruise out on the lake and enjoy an afternoon sipping prosecco and nibbling pizza. 4. Positano. The Amalfi Coast is widely beautiful, and the few towns strung along its length are ideal vantage points for taking in the coast dazzling ensemble of crunchy cliffs, lush forests, and dramatic seascapes. Positano, a dramatic cuddle of pastel-colored housing tumbling down to the sea, is the peak of the towns. Its center is a warren of striped lanes framed by big Bangchavilla and lined with smart boutiques. You can visit as a day trip from Naples or base yourself in town for a few days. When staying longer, don't forget to take a walk along the paths of the gods overlooking Positano.